In this lecture, we're going to continue our lectures on writing a book with Microsoft Word. This is lecture 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to add the missing chapters. We're going to add also the title page, which I forgot to add in the last lecture. So we've got 4 sections we're going to add. We're going to add the title page, the copyright section, the sign up for my mailing list section. Actually, we're going to add that twice. And then we're going to add a table of contents, whether you like it or not, because table of contents actually creates some navigation in Kindle books. So even if you don't think it's required in your Kindle book, you should have it. Now we're going to jump over to Word, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Here I am in Word, where we've just gotten done formatting our headers and footers. And I'm going to copy the pages, that's right, copy them, from an existing document. That's the way that I usually do this to set things up. Now, in reality, I usually use my either fiction or nonfiction templates to get all this information in. And we're going to look at that in the next lecture. But for now, I'm going to just open an existing document that I've got that is a fiction document. And I'm going to copy the sections that I want. I want the title page, and here's what it looks like. Title, subtitle, series name, author, how to get to my web page, all that stuff. Here's the copyright page. Notice that it's got the standard header and footer that I configured for my existing book. This is the nonfiction, or this is the fiction copyright page, which says this is a work of fiction. The nonfiction has a disclaimer about I did my best to be factual. This is your sign up for your mailing book page, and we're going to select that too. And you should always have a mailing list to sign up for. And the final thing I'm going to copy is the format of the table of contents, although we're going to completely change it. Now, I've selected the 4 sections that I want from this existing document. As I said, you should probably get these sections from the templates that we're going to look at in the next lecture. I'll select copy by right-clicking, and then I will come back over to my document, go to the very beginning, and I will paste. And what does that give me? That gives me the title, which for the title, we have the book title. So I'll just change that. As for a subtitle, this is where you should put keywords to search for your book. So we'll just put the word keywords here. And then your subtitle, usually you have a subtitle in mind for your book too. So this is the subtitle, and we'll get rid of the rest of that. Whoop. And it's written by Brian Jackson. Now, what I like to put on the title page is a way to get to me via email, which is brian@authorblogandreviews.com. That's one option. And you can reach my website at Author Blog and Reviews. So I put all that stuff on the title page. So here's what it looks like after I fill in the title page. The copyright page, I have published by my publisher and where they are. And then the year, we're coming up on 2024, so let's update that. And all rights reserved, this is a work of fiction, first printing. This kind of standard copyright template. Then, what is this about a mailing list? You should have a mailing list sign-up form for people to sign up for your mailing list. This is the way to automatically generate hype for your new books in a particular series. So here I'm asking people to sign up for the Author Brian Jackson newsletter. And if they do, they're going to get notifications of my new books, and they're going to get options to buy them on sale. So you want to put this here. Now, the other thing you want to do is you want to select this section, right-click, say copy, go to the end of your book, and paste it one more time. What is this about? Okay, so this is you have your sign up to the mailing list in the beginning so that if people don't even buy your book, if they look on the book on Amazon, they look inside, they will see your sign up to the mailing list and potentially sign up for your mailings before even buying your book. Now, after they finish your book, you want to hit them up one more time to sign up for your mailing list. So that's what you want at the end. And those are the missing sections. The 4 of them are the title page, where you put your title, stuff keywords into your subtitle. Then you have your, well, actually, this is the series name. This is not the subtitle. There we go. That's the subtitle. Subtitle keywords you put in here. And then you have by, who you are. And once again, remember, we're going to pick up all of this in the next lecture by downloading the templates, either the fiction or the nonfiction template, which gives you a fill-in-the-blank form for all of this stuff. But that's what I basically did, was I filled in the blanks here on my email list, my home page. Now we have an up-to-date copyright page for fiction. I have a sign up to the mailing book page, and I have a table of contents, which I have not updated. I'm glad I looked. The way you update the table of contents is you click in it, and then you right-click, and you select Update Field. Now what that'll do is it'll update all the fields with the current contents of your document. So ours is significantly shorter than the one I copied it from. And there we go. We now have a book that is formatted for publication. Now in the next lecture, we're going to look at using our fiction and nonfiction templates, which give you a fill-in-the-blank form for all of the stuff that I just showed you in the last 3 lectures or so. So I look forward to talking with you in that lecture, and I'll see you there.